The first part of the video, I'm going to talk about how to make lotus by fabrics. I like the fabric called organza. It has the texture. I fold in the center and add 2 folds on each side. And you sew the ends together. 8 petals for the base and 6 petals on the top to make it more upward. I used the clear band to put on fingers. Now I'm talking about how to make wings for the dress. You trim the edge. You sew first time and fold up again, sew the second time. Here's the look.
Representing Chicago Harvest Moon for my dance club. Let's welcome 2-1 from Lisa Power and Vladislav.
And here I am at Ohio Star Ball, the US largest ballroom dance sport. I'm wearing 3 lotus. One is the headpiece, the other 2 on each hand, and you can see the wings on each side of the dress.
And ladies and gentlemen, couple 2-1 Lisa Power and Vladislav. Thank you. Heat number 6.